Here we go again. It's the 16th of August 2021. I've just sat down at my charts, taken me 30 seconds, 45 seconds to run through the pairs that I trade and draw up my trade plan. I know exactly what I'm looking for, where the entry points are, and if I get those entry points, where the exit points are going to be too. Very simple strategy. If you'd like to find out more about what we do at the Price Action Traders Institute and maybe even join us, take a look in the description below this video and all the links you need are there. Okay, let's get straight over to the charts. So just flicking through these pairs now, looking for some entry points. We've got plenty of moves that have taken place throughout the Asian session. What is it now? 28 minutes past 6 in the morning in London. And yeah, just flicking through. So we've got an hour and a half before the London Open. So looking through, not much on the Euro US dollar. It's like the Euro and the US dollar are fighting each other there. Big move to the reasonably big move down on the EJ. It looks to me like we're seeing strength in the Japanese yen right the way across the board. So I've got a pending order there on that Euro Japanese yen. Also possibly seeing a bit of weakness in the pound. Seeing those move down, but again, this could be about this is more than likely about the Japanese yen right now. Let's have a look. Yeah, maybe a bit on the pound as well. Australian dollar, we're definitely seeing weakness on that, and Japanese yen again now. Be a nice one to be in. Australian dollar, Japanese yen. The weakness on the Australian dollar, strength on the Japanese yen. Both working together to push this down. Like I say, I've got pending orders in. There's nothing more I can do at the moment. You can't just jump on board anywhere. You have to stick with strict entry criteria. So, no open positions, a few pending orders in place. I'll pause the video for a little while and I'll come back and let you know if things change for me, if I manage to take any of these positions. So here we go, one position I'm in, it's 6.59, just about to get another candle open up. It's the Canadian dollar Japanese yen, took this at 29 as it came through one of our entry points. Still got those other pending orders in place, looks like some of those might be getting hit any moment now. So that's where I am, just the one position, and I'll pause the video again and I'll get back to you in a little while. Okay, pause the video for now, I'll be back soon. Hi again, just doing a quick update. I just need to jump onto Skype and have a chat with someone based in Cambodia who's interested in what we do at the Price Action Traders Institute. So quickly flicking through these and then I'll need to get off and make that call. So where are we at the moment? The pound Japanese yen hit my entry point, got in this at 56, taking it short. Looking for price to come down through that 50 level, back down through this low, down towards 20 where I've got my take profit. Australian dollar, US dollar, taking this short, seeing a bit of a deep pullback here, possible stop run going on, but now it's turning around. So looking for it to come back down through this low, down towards that 20. In fact, I haven't put my take profit in on that, so I'll do that now. No, I'm going to take it a bit further than that. I'm going to take it to give me, if it makes it, down to 20 pip profit, which will give me a 2-to-1. Working with a 2-to-1 risk to reward on that. Australian dollar, Japanese yen, another one I've taken short, seeing it pulling back a little bit at the moment. I'm going to put that take profit down here at the 0-0 level. Canadian dollar, Japanese yen, that's all set up already. And New Zealand dollar, US dollar. Let's pull this down. I'm going to do the same on this, I think. Let's see where that comes in. Okay, initially, I'm going to put that down at 0-0. See if that price comes down. Anywhere near that level there. Okay, so that's it. So I'm currently holding 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 positions, and I'll pause the video for now and I'll be back with you as soon as I finish this call. Hi again, back with you. Sorry, that call took a little longer than I thought it would. The time is now 8:55, and during that call I saw the percentage profit that I was making on those 5 positions that I was holding. And so I just punched out of them, finished the call off, and here I am back with you now. So what I'll do, I'll just run through those positions. We're still seeing some reasonable moves in the market, so chances are I've left some money on the table, but I honestly don't mind. If I can see a good profit, I'm happy to just walk away with that. And plus, you know, being distracted with a call that was in play at that time, more than happy to walk away with the profit that I did. So let's have a look at these. So, pound Japanese yen, you can see where I got in up here. Where did I take that? I got in that at 56. Saw the price move sideways a couple of candles, then it shot down, and I got out of that one. Giving me 22 pips on the pound Japanese yen. Australian dollar, US dollar. Caught this one. Oh, let's look at the times as well. The first position I took was at 6:20 AM London time, and I punched out of everything at 7:54 AM London time. So hardly any time trading at all today. So yeah, this one here, Australian dollar, US dollar. Got in this at 36. You can see where I got out there. Taking just 3 pips on that one. Australian dollar, Japanese yen. Took this one at 28 as price came up through an entry point on this candle here. Watched it go down, and again on the same candle as the others I just punched out and managed to get 10 pips on that. Going through these, so you're seeing some good moves today. Canadian dollar, Japanese yen. Took this one at 29 up here and watched that price pull down, getting out of that for 12 pips. And New Zealand dollar, US dollar. In this one at 25 as price came up through an entry point, and just punched out of that again. On that move, we seem to get a little bit of a burst in price action, and like I say, I saw the profit margins rolling up. So what I'll do, I'll flick over now to the results screen just to show you exactly how many pips I pulled out and what the percentage profit was on that as well. But a very easy session, 5 winners, no losers, and it's just the way it goes sometimes. Okay, so I'll flick over to the other screen now and you can see how much profit I actually made. So here you can see my final results, 22 on the pound Japanese yen, that's pips, 12 pips on the Canadian dollar Japanese yen, 4 pips New Zealand dollar US dollar, 3 pips on the Australian dollar US dollar, and 10 pips on the Australian dollar Japanese yen. Giving me a total of 51 pips, that works out to 2.17% profit overall on my capital. Not a bad run this morning, it happened really quickly, and I haven't been back and had a look at the chart, so I don't know if that continued. Sometimes it's best to just stay away, shut down, walk away with the profit in your pocket, and don't look back, because if the markets have shifted even further, not so much with me, but less experienced traders might feel a little bit fed up about that, to put it mildly. So yeah, that's it. 51 pips, 2.17% profit, and done and dusted in a very short period of time. Okay, don't forget, if you look down in the description, you'll find all the links you need to find out more about what we do at the Price Action Traders Institute. And please remember to hit subscribe and you'll get the updates as and when I post these videos. And also on my website, you'll find out who the broker is that I use with the low spreads and all the other details you want. Okay, so thanks very much, and I'll be back again soon with another video.